Hi everyone, this is Teresa. I wanted to talk to you guys about starting a business. I thought it would be relevant since we are in a business class and I actually work in business sales, so I see a lot of common beginner errors. The first thing I would recommend is, of course, if you took the Intro to Business, which you did because you're in this class, is to know the legal structure. So you have like a limited liability company, you have a corporation, there's a sole proprietorship. So that would be the first thing I would do. Do some research online, and then worst scenario, if you're still struggling with that, I would recommend to reach out to an accountant or an attorney for further legal advice. It depends on what you're doing, what the industry is, and if it's one owner or if you're going to have a partner. There's a lot of different things that go into it. So that's the first step, is actually filing your business legal documents, which typically, depending on the structure, you can do it right from the Secretary of State website. And then as a sole proprietorship, usually you would do that through your clerk of county office. And a lot of the times, if your last name is included in the business title and it doesn't imply other owners, you can not file any documentation for a sole proprietorship. So that would be the first thing you would want to do. The second thing, which I see very often, is that a lot of business owners do not file for a tax ID number or an employee ID number. So that's the other piece to the puzzle. That's about 50% of the puzzle right there. And it's actually free to file for a tax ID number or an employee ID number if you go to irs.gov. There is multiple websites that will charge you and scam you and try to look like the irs.gov, so always be sure you're on the right page. It usually will have like an American flag background in the banner on the very top of the website page. So it should not cost you anything. It's very easy to register for, which I wish I knew that in the past when I used to be a business owner, because I myself paid an accountant to create mine and it cost me almost $100 to do that. And I see clients that still pay for someone to do that when it's just a very simple task. So you can definitely do it on your own. So hopefully that was a little bit helpful, and if you guys want to pick my brain a little bit more in regards to anything like that, I am more than happy to assist with that as well if you want to message me.